बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज मैं इस हवाले से बात कर रहा हूँ कि औरतें तीन तरह की होती है।
This scholar is narrating the story in Urdu language, but don't worry, I will translate it. To start the story, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks, there is a story in interesting events. There are three types of women. Ibn Habib narrates that a man swore not to marry until he had consulted 100 men because he had great trouble with women. So he consulted 99 men and left one. He went out to ask any man. He found a madman wearing a necklace of bones and a black face. He was sitting on a tree trunk as if he was sitting on a horse. He saluted and said, "I want to ask you a question about a problem. Hope you will answer." So the madman said, "Ask for what you need and do not ask for useless things." He said, "I am a man who has had to go through a great test regarding women. So I swore I wouldn't get married until I consulted 100 men. So I consulted 99 men. What do you say?" He said, "No. There are three types of women. One that is only yours. The other is your enemy. The third is the one who is neither your friend nor your enemy. The unmarried girl who belongs to you alone, whom no men have seen before you. If you see good, she will praise you, and if you see evil, she will hide it. The enemy is the one who has a child from another man. She will steal your wealth and give it to her child, and whatever you do, he will not appreciate it. The one who is neither friend nor enemy, who is already married, if she sees good, she should say, 'This is what we wanted.' And if she sees evil, she will turn to her first husband. These are the conditions of women, which I have openly described. Take care of them. Marry them if you want, and choose the best of them if you don't." He said, "By Allah." "Tell me who you are," said the madman. "Didn't I make a bet that you would not ask a useless question?" My request again is that if you like the video, then subscribe the channel and don't forget to like and comment the video. Thanks for watching the video. Be happy and be prosperous. See you in the next video. Protect yourself. Allah Hafiz.